Hey guys, I hope you are doing all right. In this little video, I would like to introduce you one more time to AIxplora, a open source project which lets you query all your private files. Like you can upload the files and then you can use large language models to get answers based on your files. You are not limited to any format or to any text, and we also included a lot of features I would like to show you right now. So as I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately, I focused a little bit on on the project itself. So we implemented several loaders, which means you're now able to use PDF files, MP3 files, and so on. Um, you can read through the chat once you chatted with the Explorer software or the LLM. It's all stored in the local storage. We will also include some tabs so you can basically distinguish between your conversations. We introduced a unique chunking technique to improve the overall results. We did some UI bugs or fixed some UI bugs and improved the UI in general. We allow to chat with selected documents, which increase the accuracy of the whole chat. We also introduced API key management, so you can use different API keys, different API versions if you use the OpenAI model. We also offer a Docker version, so everyone is able to use Explorer basically, because right now there are some dependencies which do not run on Windows, for example, depending on your version. We also introduced unique document summary approach, which is actually something I haven't seen in any other project. I'm super happy to share the feature of enabling open source LLMs and also enabling open source embedding models, which means we are completely independent of OpenAI. It means you can basically use the tool totally private on your own machine. You're not sending any data to OpenAI or to any other API. I'm also happy to share with you our future features. For example, we want to make it possible to share knowledge. So if you have a friend and you share some documents, you can use one shared knowledge for all of you. Then we also want to build a executable version to basically allow also non-technical persons to use Explorer in a super easy way, just by installing like any other software. And we want to make it possible to easily integrate our Explorer knowledge into websites. But this is, as I said, the future. It will take a while until our development process gets there. But now let me show you Explorer itself. So we start the backend with Python backend main.py, and we start the front end. So this is Explorer. If you want to use the dark mode, you can just use the toggle. First of all, you need to set up a config. If you use the OpenAI models, you have to have an OpenAI key, which is valid. I already did that, but you can also choose open source models, and soon in the future you can connect to external databases, but this is still under development. So I actually downloaded a paper, a framework proposal for blockchain-based scientific publishing using shared governance. I'm going to upload that one. Which one was it? This one. And then once it's uploaded, I can ask some questions based on the document. Here it's uploading in the background. So it's done, and we can choose the document. We ask what is a DAO. Let's see if it knows that. A DAO, it knows it. It also gives us back the references, for example, where, yeah, like our chunking algorithm splits it in different chunks. So you can just open that path and you will see the exact reference. We also can summarize papers. I already did that for the Bitcoin white paper, for example. Just to give you a quick insight how it looks like, you can then download the PDF of the summarization. And yeah, that's basically it so far. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to join us on our Discord, or yeah, leave a question in our comments, in the comment section below. I'm happy if you subscribe to the channel, and also if you like AIxplora, the project. We are happy to keep pushing and introduce new great features. See you again. Ciao.